Assalamu alaikum. This is Usman Chaudhary. In these videos, I will deliver my pure knowledge on micro hydropower to you. Inshallah, the topics to be discussed in these videos will be what is turbine, definition, types and design of turbine. We will also discuss the definition of hydropower and the difference between pico, micro, mini, small and mega hydropower projects. Difference between impulse and reaction turbine and their types with detailed study. Design and working of hydraulic speed governor. Classification of hydropower. Site identification and selection for hydropower and initial site assessment. Different ways and methods to measure potential head and water discharge. Evaluating the power formula for micro hydropower. Detailed design study of intake structure, penstock pipe, sand trap, head race, 4-bay tank, powerhouse room and tail race. At the end, we will discuss a bit about good and bad for micro hydropower. Let's start with our first topic, turbine. By definition, turbine is a machine which converts linear motion of a flowing fluid into rotatory motion. Major type of turbines are hydro turbines, gas turbines, steam turbines and wind turbines. Hydro turbines are further divided into two categories, impulse turbines and reaction turbines. By definition, impulse turbines are those in which all pressure energy of water converts into the kinetic energy through a nozzle and generate a high-speed jet of water. This jet of water strikes the blades of turbine and rotates it. Or in the simple mean, the turbine in which a runner is partially or semi-submerged in water is called impulse turbine. While in reaction turbines, there is pressure change of water when it passes through the rotor of turbine, or when the runner is fully submerged in water, the turbine is called reaction turbine. Now let's talk about the difference between pico, micro, mini, small and mega hydropower projects. The hydropower projects with capacity less than 500 watts are known as pico hydropower projects, and those with output capacity from 500 watts up to 100 kilowatt are called micro hydropower projects. 100 kilowatt up to 1 megawatt are mini, while small hydropower projects are those which generates electricity ranging from 1 megawatt up to 10 megawatt. And the hydropower projects with capacity more than 10 megawatt are called full-scale or mega hydropower projects. Now let's start the detailed study of impulse turbines. There are three major types of impulse turbines: cross-flow or Banki turbines, turbo turbines and Pelton wheel turbines. Cross-flow turbines. In 1925, Mr. Donald Banki developed this type of turbine. This turbine applies cross-flow principle where a free jet traverses a cylindrical runner vertical to the turbine shaft. Components of a cross-flow turbine. This is the main assembly of cross-flow turbine. This pulley is called main pulley, which is connected with the runner by means of main shaft. Here is the collet catcher for main pulley. This is the top curved plate of turbine casing. This part is called connecting box or intake adapter, and penstock pipe is connected with this part to supply water into runner. This is the side plate of turbine casing. Grease cup for bearing. Chuck nut for collet catcher of bearing. Bearing. Collet catcher for bearing. Bearing stock box. This part is used to stop leakage of water. Side disc of turbine casing. Adjustable guide band. Side cup for guide band shaft. Guide band shaft. Fixed bottom guide band. Runner or rotor of a turbine. This lever is used to operate adjustable guide band. This assembly on the back side of turbine is called countershaft assembly. This is the coupling for universal cross shaft of generator. Bearing stock box. This is the end of this part. To watch its next part, click on the link in the description. Thanks for watching and sparing time.